Welcome to Mimic channel. Today I am going to explain you about the indicator lamp, which is a specialized one. Nobody else at least is manufacturing in India for electrical control panels, that is bicolor lamp. What is bicolor lamp? I will explain you the background. Generally all control panels are having red green for on off, red amber for on and trip. So these type of dual lamps are being generally being used. In this particular scenario, not that particular lamps are not on, both of the lamps are not on at a time, because on and off cannot be on at a time, on and trip cannot be on at a time, or high and low cannot be at a time, high cannot be low and low cannot be high. So there are many type of applications where two lamps are being used, but those lamps are on one at a time. So if that is the case, why should not be any single lamp which is having both the colors? That was the idea came out with the Mimic. Now for that we have developed the lamp which is 22.5 cutout, which is the international standard, and this bicolor lamp which is again a weatherproof type. There is ceiling at the front side, so that particular protections are there, international grade. This lamp is a bicolor lamp. In this bicolor lamp there are three terminals. In these three terminals, first is the first color, that is you can say red, second is the green color or second color you can call, and one is the common terminal. Whenever you give neutral or negative to common and connect to the first number, it will be red. When it is connected to two number, it can be green, or whatever the color you want, you can specify, you can order. In this, what is the advantage? You can see, if you say what is the advantage, I have got a space in a panel. What is the advantage? I can make the drills two numbers, so I don't have any problem. But the advantage is in two different ways. One is the inventory. Suppose you want to keep the lamps red in stock, you will keep say 500 lamps red, 500 lamps green. So there is an inventory of 1000 lamps. Now if it is a bicolor lamp, you don't have to keep two separate lamps 500 500, you have to just keep 500 lamps of this inventory, because whenever you want, you can use as a red only also, green only also, or you can use the both ways. Second advantage, great advantage, is the price. Single lamp of Mimic is costing suppose X. Bicolor lamp also costing same price X. So you get a lamp in half of the price. So for an example, we say it is a 130 rupees lamp. So normal one color, it comes in 130 rupees, and bicolor also 130 rupees. So in 130 rupees, you get two lamps. That means one lamp it is costing 65 rupees. So that is a great advantage for panel manufacturers. Price is the great advantage. They are even saving for 1 rupees, because the cost constraint is very high in at least electrical control panels, and there is a lot of competitions. You have to save in the inventory, you have to save in the price, and the same quality for last 40 years we are manufacturing with very high grade poly body of PBT fire retardant. The caps are of polycarbonate, highest grade in plastic, which cannot break with hammers. And the LEDs of course are concealed inside, water cannot go inside. It is IP65. The normal panels are IP64, but this lamp is IP65. So for weatherproof or outdoor applications also you can use this particular lamps. And Mimic gives warranty, service warranty up to 10 years. Not a single lamp in the world gives a warranty of 10 years. We give free replacement guarantee for 1 year, and for railways, for defense and navies and air force where our lamps are being delivered, we give guarantee of 5 years, because in tenders they need 5 years warranty and we give 5 years warranty. So this is the all specialized specifications or technical specifications of these Mimic lamps. So why anybody should not buy this? You don't have any answer. And moreover, this is a 100% made in India lamp. So it's a pure Swadeshi lamp. So as per our drive, why we should not use our Swadeshi lamp, where electrical switchgear, at least in India, if you don't know, is 100% covered by international companies. Not a single big Indian company in switchgear is there in the market now. The people like us, people like Mimic, are striving hard to keep us alive. So I request you to finalize in your control panels Mimic lamps, Mimic indicator lamps. And I am Mr. Anand Javan. If you want any technical queries about this, you can call me on 9821252022, or you can write me to mimic.cells@gmail.com. Thank you.